Struggling to get traffic online? You're not alone. Most people face a major hurdle: traffic. No clicks, no leads, and definitely no sales. It's frustrating when traffic methods take ages or fail to convert. Now imagine a solution that sends real visitors to your links. Fast. That's where Traffic Spacebar comes in. This user-friendly platform gets your offers in front of real people quickly. No complicated setups. No more waiting for results. What sets Traffic Spacebar apart? The no-stall matrix system. It keeps traffic flowing consistently, never stalling, never slowing down. More visibility means more clicks. More clicks lead to more chances to earn. Whether you're promoting affiliate offers or just need eyes on your links, this system gives you the momentum you've been searching for. If you're tired of wasting time and are ready for real traffic, check out Traffic Spacebar now. Your next wave of visitors could be just one click away. Don't wait, click the link below.